Did you hit your head? I'm sorry. Did we want to rip this open real quick this morning? Let's ask the roly-poly. What do you think, Mr. Pillbug? Let's poke him. If he turns into a pill, we will wait and take it apart later. If he scurries away without rolling up, like a modern day trilobite, then we'll rip it open. Alright, you ready? Look at him, he's scurrying. The crustacean has spoken. Did you know that? Did you know that them little pill bugs are more closely related to crustaceans than they are insects? Weird, huh? They're like little land shrimp. What's under here? A bunch of pill bugs. Huh. Somebody tell me what size of them are. Trial and error. There we go. I can usually get a pretty good idea just by looking. They happen to be a 5/16. That one's done. Supposed to have some weather today. It feels a bit saucy out here. Is this boring? Just watching a bunch of screwing. Hope you're not watching it at work. Now we're not precisely sure which bolt takes what apart. We just start, if you see a bolt, you unscrew it. Like this one, but it's all worn down, stripped out, some would say. I was gonna flip it the other way, but just because the lines are cut doesn't mean it ain't full of soup still. So, unless you want vegetable soup all over the ground, keep her that way. It's always best to stay on your toes anyhow. Ow. Occasionally it starts riding down. It's like you can tell, dude, you got a phone strapped on your forehead. This is not the smallest phone in the world. Up we go. Come off, you turd. Alright, we're gonna need 2 hands for this one. I would like to give credit where credit is due, and to the Birdman. They're not like wire bolt cutters, they're just loppers. They're for lopping, like that. But they cut soft metal fairly easy. Well, they used to. As you can see, these are missing about as many teeth as Mr. Scrappity, but anyway, you get the point. See? Okay, right there. See what we did there? And a lot of guys will get a hacksaw or do this or do that. Tell you what, it's just as easy to get you a pair of nippers. This ain't rocket science, boys. And then once we get all these noodles, I've been doing a lot of air quotes here lately. I apologize. Anyway, once we get all the noodles off there, then I just take the old trusty nippers. And then we can roll that right off there. These are getting wore out as the shit we keep outside. Where's the good shit? We want the good shit. These are the dank nippers. And flex. See, I mean, there's really no need to even involve power tools. The only power tools you need are some of that. Just the bare necessities. Can you tell I have kids? Let's roll one up. You want to roll one up with Scrappy. twisted metal. Real time. Like I said, it's not fucking rocket science. Scrapping is mostly 99.9999999% just busting shit apart. And when you're busting shit apart, you don't gotta be careful. You don't just be careful with yourself. That's it, you know. Bust the scrap apart, not yourself. Anyway, you get the idea of what I'm doing here. Taking this. We're doing a lot of hand talking this morning, like Mr. Miyagi and shit, and putting it there. Anyway,